Entry door installation. Loves Park is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their home's curb appeal and security. Our expert team specializes in front door replacement and custom entry doors, ensuring a perfect fit for your unique style and needs. Whether you prefer steel entry doors, fiberglass doors, or wooden entry doors, we have a wide selection to choose from. Entry doors. Loves Park services are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your entryways. Our skilled technicians offer door frame replacement, door jamb replacement, and door threshold replacement to keep your doors in top condition. We also provide door hardware installation and door lock installation to enhance your home's security. Energy-efficient entry doors. Loves Park are a smart investment for reducing energy costs and improving comfort. Our range of energy-efficient options includes storm doors and patio doors, designed to keep your home insulated and protected from the elements. Sliding entry doors in Loves Park offer a modern and space-saving solution for easy access to your outdoor spaces. Door security upgrades in Loves Park are vital for protecting your home and family. Our services include door hinge replacement and door sealing services to ensure your doors are secure and weatherproof. We also offer entry door consultation in Loves Park to help you choose the best security features for your home. Entry doors. Loves Park design is all about creating a welcoming and stylish entrance. Our team can assist with door painting services and door refinishing to give your entryway a fresh new look. We also provide entry door maintenance in Loves Park to keep your doors looking and functioning their best. Door weatherproofing in Loves Park is essential for protecting your home from harsh weather conditions. Our door sealing services and door threshold replacement in Loves Park ensure that your doors are properly insulated and protected from drafts and moisture. Trust our experts for all your door weatherproofing needs. Custom entry doors. Loves Park offer a personalized touch to your home's exterior. Our selection includes a variety of materials and styles, from traditional wooden entry doors to modern fiberglass doors in Loves Park. Let us help you design the perfect entry door to complement your home's architecture.